wants to crap inside the car. Oh shit, here comes a whole bunch more. Hey, what are they doing? Sounds like it's raining.
This is like the old Hitchcock movie, The Birds.
I know, it's like I take a picture.
I can't. I mean, I've seen lots of birds over here before, but this is like way more than that many.
Oh my God. I almost feel like I need to videotape it. So that
That's I took one picture, but I got to do some video of this stuff. I can't believe. I mean, I've seen lots of birds over here, but this is not this many. There were some on the lines when we were coming from over that way. They were sitting on the telephone lines.
Oh my God, that looks cool. These are all the birds still coming. Oh my God.
It's like I need a bigger screen. There's got to be thousands of them. Yeah, me too. I just like, is it some mating time? And like, why all in the same spot? It's like September. That doesn't make any sense.
That can change. I don't want them to poop on me.
That'd be the next thing, wouldn't it? Like, why so many birds in this little place? They're right, the Zestos of Coldwater. And they just all sit over in those trees over there. Thousands of them. A few more in. And trees are just thick with them. It's like, why here? Why now? So many. There's been a lot of birds over here before, but not this many at one time. It's by the Zestos on Coldwater Crossing in Fort Wayne, Indiana. So many of them.